Hello, I'm Andy and welcome to episode 4 of the K-Series build.
Hi, I'm Mark. Today we'll be getting things put back together again.
Hey guys, so an update as I'm sure you can guess what I'm about to say, but I forgot to bring the camera over again for a few days, so we've done a bit of progress. So give you a quick update. So the front end is back on, so just mocking things up again, making sure everything's okay. We know we do need to cut out some of the arches, so we need to get some of the weight in the car. So probably take the front off again, get the engine in the front of the car, get the weight there, so we can obviously mock everything up, make sure the arches are nice, try and get that as nice as we can. But at the moment I'm just working on bits and pieces, so got the plate there which has been obviously adapted, which has been sprayed, got the gasket up there, over here just sprayed up the pedal box, everything's black so it's hard to see. The throttle cable, accelerator, pedal. So yeah, just doing those few bits and pieces before we can start putting things back in the car. A couple of things we have put in under here. It's not all in, but started to put it back together. Right, there you go. So one thing we did go for was the T7, I'm sure it's called the T7 design heater. So yeah, swapped out the original heater for this one. So when we put that in, I'll show you a bit more about that. I'm kind of glad we did. As you'll see in a bit, I want to show you in the video that it definitely takes up a lot less room. We've obviously made the bulkhead connections a bit smaller. So we did have these ones, but we've got the stepped ones, so from that size, which is 1/2 inch to 5/8. Just show you, we've already put them in. So there they go. So they can go straight onto the heater. So 2 hoses. But yeah, we'll definitely show you when we put that in, because that saves a heck of a lot of room under there. So glad to spend the money on that. And it's also a lot, to be honest, they're a lot cheaper and obviously easier to get hold of than original ones. And a bit more space for my feet. So yeah, I'm sure we'll show you that when it goes in. So a quick show around of what I've quickly done. You've seen me put the master cylinder back in. So I've connected up the hoses now, the one going to the rear for the bias. That goes through there. Need to stick a rubber grommet. Then you got the front one, comes from there, goes down, tees off. I've not obviously connected them yet, it just sat there. So there's that. Inside the car, just put the handbrake, obviously the pedal box, and there's the hose to the rear. Obviously there's a joiner inside. I do have a possible plan for hydraulic handbrake later on, which is why it's coming through here. Plus I think it's also better not running through, sorry, underneath the car. So that goes back there. Again, rubber grommet needed. So yeah, that's the inside. Coming together, just getting bits and pieces in the car. So that's the job for tonight. Just getting a few of the bits and pieces on the car. Yeah, so Mark came out in the garage today and decided that the black wasn't good enough. To be fair, I did say we need to spray it. So, do you want to explain what we went for, Mark?
We just went for a grey, really. Just a grey. And then we went for the matte because, well, everything else is matte, isn't it?
Everything else in the car's matte.
So might as well.
So yeah, the handbrake cable came off again. Handbrake lever came off again. So we've done the lever there. Obviously Mark's got his hand, and in a second we're going to fit the gear lever up inside.
Get it all built. Dude, lovely. That's what I was protecting your top.
Protecting your knob, yeah?
Protect the shaft.
Protect the shaft. Can't say knob, it's YouTube. Is that in? We can't. Right, so tell me which one you're going for first.
Oh, I'll pop it in, right?
Which one did you go for?
So the one closest to me at the back.
One I struggle to get to.
Is that the worst one?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I'll do the front one then, so you don't have to hold it on.
You holding it down?
Yeah, I got it.
Yep.
Next front one. Yes, the gear lever is tight to the handbrake, but it does clear.
Yes, it is a little bit tight, but it does the job. That one's done. That one is pretty much there. Obviously got to be tightened yet, but
Should you tighten them?
let me just quickly get that last
Yeah.
get that last one in while I'm here. You got your finger on it?
Yeah.
Ugh. Wash it to face, man down. Man down.
Push it down.
Man down. That one was always going to be the tight one. There you go. Right, if I get a spanner, I'll do that one first. And it's the most awkward. Okay. Well, actually, do you want me to do it? Because it might scratch, might it? Or are we right? Yep.
Can we change this one?
What do you mean?
I want to change this one a minute.
This what?
That one.
Why?
They've got writing on them, and that one's got it's got different writing to the other three. Sorry.
You want to change it because it's got the right. Right, find the one that's got the right writing then.
Sorry, but that's just me, and they all face the right direction. Sorry, Pete. Yeah.
You know you're wasting the internet's time.
Wow.
Literally watching everyone watching.
I'm doing.
Oh, that's longer, but it'll do. It's ever so slightly longer. Because you're never going to see it, your OCD will be off.
Oh, my OCD will be well off now. There you go.
Happy?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Scramble my ass out of it. Oh god. Here you go, guys. Like I was saying a minute ago, Mark didn't like the black, so he sprayed them.
I mean, they've all got writing on them, and they all had to face the right
Can I
way.
get the camera to focus? Probably not. But yeah, they all got writing on them, so he wanted them to all match, which is fair enough. So, Mark's OCD.
What it is what it is.
What it is.
It's got to be right.
So just trying to work out what the next job is. I think the next job, actually, fuel tank. So got to dig it out from under the boxes and get it in.
Buried in the Morris.
Yeah. Let's get on. I'll give you the world's longest wire. Keep on going.
Keep them going. Miles long.
Okay, yeah, that's neater and tidier. So,
Quick question.
what's that?
Have we got room behind the tank for this sticking out?
What do you mean?
Well, because it's sticking up in here now, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's meant to be.
Okay.
It would have been sticking up anyway, wouldn't it? Because this hole's behind the tank.
Okay.
Rude, sticking your finger through. Which one are we going for? Oh, you missed. Hold it down. I'll put it back. Yeah.
Okay.
We could make it neater and I could go up through.
Well,
Because at the moment you've got a country mile sticking out the other side.
It's neater down up here anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, you're not going to see it. It's behind the tank.
Yeah. Be fine.
Let's go for that. Just keep that one there. Just give me one of the other ones. It's behind the tank. You're not going to see it, are you?
Oh no.
But... and the one at the front. Brilliant.
Not
Right,
going anywhere.
one plug. Not going anywhere. I could plug it in, but I'll worry about that later. Right.
What's this? This like Maui's hook.
It does look like a hook, doesn't it? Right, it looks like a hockey stick. Right,
Looks
go
like
down,
Maui's
Frank. Right. Oh, bugger, dropped it. Right. Right, it's tank time, boy.
Tank straps.
So I will try and go up through. Somehow I've managed. Oh, there's the screwdriver which fell off. Which side are you doing? Your side.
Driver side first.
Drivers.
Passenger
Passengers.
side.
Okay, so can you go slightly back
What, back to the
to the front of the car?
like that?
Ever so slightly more. There. I think I've got it. Yes, I got it.
Get on.
Does it need a washer?
Yeah.
Yeah, get me a wash.
I don't want to move.
You're gonna have to move. Perfect size. Right, I think as long as you hold it there, I think we're okay. Okay for it?
Yeah.
I Yeah, which seems to be.
Straight in the hole again.
Is that one done?
I've got one from the front.
Now this one's a bit tighter for me because I'm literally under it, but. I need 2 more washers. Right, I can't see the hole at all. I think it needs to go passenger side. Yes, it does. Bit more. Tiniest bit more. There. Got ya. Oh, no, I haven't. I didn't put the washer on. Wait a second. Hold it there. Push it down and it should stay in the same spot.
Yeah, I've got it. I've got it.
I had it in my bloody hand. That's what you get for just going for it, innit?
Oh.
Voila! One fuel tank, all in place. Just some electrics to go. Coming in episode 5. Wait there, right there. Wrong way.